if you've ever got into an argument with your friends and family about gold and silver, go ahead and hit like and subscribe. So today we have, unsurprisingly, an Elton John limited edition 1 ounce silver coin, which arrived in the post this morning, and I'm going to share it with you. I know it's a bit of a cheesy unboxing video, but I have said in previous videos that I'm pretty skeptical about these kind of collections. So a quick look at the box. So yeah, nice packaging, nice box. There is a bit of a story about this, how I ended up with this. I mean, really, it's not really a story, it's just more of a kind of mistake, actually. I literally just had some stuff in my eBay basket that I was thinking about buying. I added it. Somehow I must have added it, but didn't take it out, and I bought something else and ended up just buying this, which is pretty stupid. But because the reason I wanted to buy it is because I was kind of thinking in a morbid kind of way that, well, two reasons. I have this, let's go to basics. I like to have 90% of my silver is just pure bullion, and then I have 10% of it is numismatic, more collectible stuff. And I just thought I'm getting too much bullion at the moment. Maybe I need to just buy the odd thing that I think could go up and appreciate in the future. And I thought, Elton John, you know, if he drops dead, maybe things like this will go up in value, which is not a very nice thing to think, really. But I just thought, you know, what can I get? I was looking around for things, something that was a bit different, a bit funky, a bit cool, something which I thought would, you know, stand up to the test of time. And I thought, yeah, so I kind of added it, and then I decided I didn't want it, and I did want it, and I've got it. So yeah, so there's a nice little booklet that comes with it, and we've got a very nice box from Raw Mint. Very nice, well packaged, it's pretty good. And now the funky bit. There we go. It is a nice, I gotta say, it's the first colorized coin I've ever had. I wasn't a big fan of them, to be fair, but it kind of does grow on me. I mean, it is a very nice coin, there's no doubt about it. It is just, with the notes, as his eyes and his glasses, is very clever. And the disappointing thing was I got the world's worst COA 7111. Well, that's not the worst COA in the world, but it's yeah, it's quite a high one. Just get the booklet out, have a look. So yeah, I guessed maybe it was meant to be, you know. I could have cancelled the purchase, but I don't know why. I'm always quite. I've had a few experiences where people I've bought things off me and then cancelled. You know, they've not cancelled. Somebody that's cancelled within like an hour or so, then I've let them off the hook. But there's a few people that have bought things off me in the past that have not cancelled. You know, if they've cancelled like 36 hours later, and I've just gone, no, I'm sorry. You know, I've just got this in a packet now, and I'm about to send it to you. So I kind of feel like it's just a bit shit just to cancel if you've made a mistake or change your mind. From the buyer's perspective, it's a right pain in the arse. I know, and I thought it's not that bad. I do quite like this coin. I quite like his bow tie, actually. That's what does it for you. I think that's quite interesting. So yeah, there was this. So this is one of my pickups, and so this was a mistake, but I'll probably keep this. I mean, I am going to keep it because obviously I've just paid quite a lot of money for it. And it'd be a bit pointless just to get rid of it straight away. So we've got the Elton John there, and then the other end of the spectrum, I picked up a couple of silver bullion bits. But these, look at this, it's just arrived off eBay. Somebody was selling a couple of coins, and I wasn't complaining. Basically, I tried to pick up silver for in the UK we have to pay VAT on the silver, 20%. So if you can pick it up without paying VAT, then all the better, you know. So I just punted on a couple of these, and I was pretty good. I was pretty chuffed. I mean, it's the wrong coin for this packet, but doesn't matter. And it's just some silver to add to the stack, you know. I'm not too precious about it. So the idea is trying to get up. I did have about 200 ounces of silver, and I'm back down to about 25 ounces, which is, I like to have, I think I want 200 ounces of silver. You know, they're saying there's silver shortages at the moment, the mines aren't open, and if you don't know, silver's a byproduct of gold, so mostly there's not that many silver companies out there. So I think silver's got so much upside at the moment, excuse me, you know, it's insane. I mean, it's not even anywhere near its all-time high. I think it's going to move. Something's going to happen. And like I said in my last video, if you don't feel like going all in and buying, you know, well, let's say you bought 10 ounces a month and you're worried about the price, just get 5 ounces or a couple of ounces. I'm just keeping things ticking over. So I'm trying not to be too worried about the price and just pick up some, just keep, you know, building up. I'm probably up to about 35 ounces at the moment. It's not enough. I'm probably going to have to go all in and buy some 100 ounces in one go, or 50 ounces in one go. I certainly won't buy a large bar though. I'll come on to that in another video. So yeah, so there we've got these couple of Britannias, and then we've got this final thing that I've got here, which is just a completely, really a mindless purchase. Any clue what that could be? More Royal Mint wonders. The only reason I got this is because I got it such a good price that I'm sure the person made a mistake on a buy it now listing. Yeah, it was up there. I just happened to be at the right time, right place, right time, and I just pulled the trigger on it because I'm pro Brexit. I live in the UK. I'm totally for leaving. The European Union's in a shocking state. Don't be fooled by anything you hear on the news. It's in an absolute shocking state, and we need to take back our control. I know, and we need to move forward. I love Europe, not ruled by Europe. You know, I'm happy to work with Europe. I love the parts of Europe, but I'm just not going to. Our country shouldn't be controlled by a load of unelected bureaucrats in Brussels. So yeah, me being a bit of a patriot, punted on this. I hope that doesn't put you off. I thought, you know, this is just so ridiculously cheesy, but it's meant for some gullible idiot like me to buy. Let's have a look at that. Peace and prosperity and friendship with all nations. Okay. Isn't that wonderful? And we left on the 31st of January 2020. And we've got a nice vote here. Let's have a look. Anything exciting in this? Probably not. Not exactly a positive message. It's kind of very sort of generic, really, this, isn't it? They obviously didn't want to get into politics, the Royal Mint, I get that. COA of 18,695. There we go. I don't really know. Only 47,000 minted. I don't think this is. This is just one of those. I said in my videos. It's just one of those things that I bought for the sheer hell of it. There is no reason. There is no logic. It's madness. It's madness. But the only thing about it, yeah. The only thing, it's got a bit of a dent on that corner there, but coins are mint condition. So yeah, it's absolute madness that I would buy something like this after, you know, in a couple of videos ago slagging off this exact sort of thing where mints just churn out stuff for people to buy that they think is going to go up in value a lot, or just have. And I kind of want to I ought to maybe retract that statement. It's not always about, doesn't always have to be about making money and going up in price and the end sale. Like I say, I like to have a small percentage of things that I just buy because I like them and I enjoy collecting them, as it is just a bit sort of monotonous collecting 1 ounce silver. So I'm on a bit of a silver mission at the moment. I've got a nice interesting bit of gold coming actually. It's got a good story to it, which is going to be in a couple of videos time, so stay tuned for that. And anyway, so I hope you found that this video useful, and let me know your thoughts on any of these items. Waste of time, waste of money, would you buy them? You know, is it just you know, the raw mint catching people like me and making me you know, invest hard-earned money into this sort of stuff, which is just tat. You know, it's going to end up on a, you know, in a junk shop in a few years' time. I don't think this is so much of a problem, but I don't know. Let me know your thoughts. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.